Hi guys, Frenco here. See this? I just did the intro of my unboxing. By the way, here comes this intro.
And you put that there.
Guys, look what we got. It's a box. It's a box.
Inside the box.
Computer. So guys, this is a computer I get for the online school. Remember.
This is your brand new.
Wow, guys, remember this? Acer! Alright, let's start. Okay, so I don't know where's the place where you wanna open. But anyways, guys, this is so heavy. Guys, starting!
Heavy.
What's this?
The other stuff.
Oh, look at this.
What?
I wonder what's this. Hey guys, I think this is a charger or where the computer can start already. Oh, guys!
Power brick.
Guys, this
You
is my Acer's power brick. And I think this is where it's gonna get turned on. Plug in.
Plug in.
Plug in. Plug in my kill thing. I know.
Okay. Yeah, this one.
What's it? What are they? They look so weird. What is this?
Just like in the iMac.
Soft, comfy, like. Look, guys! Look what I got. It's Acer. Look, and I can turn on right here. Wow, it's like I'm working. Oh, guys, look. Your notebook tablet is plugged into an AC power supplies wall outlet. Why did it say Frenco on it?
See, you already did. Because it's yours. That's why.
Did just something happened? You turn it on for the first time. Guys, this is so cool! Yeah, there's the first time. So the first time start up and set up for operating system. This will take so long, guys. Guys, look what I have. Thank you, Acer. There's freebies included in the laptop. The mouse is here. I can. I need to go to Google, but I don't have Google. Oh my God, my.
Oh, your freebies.
Oh, guys, look what I have. It's a bag of freebie Acer. Look, mommy, I have something. Okay, guys. I got a mouse.
Oh, it's a free mouse and.
I don't know what's this. A chip.
What's this? You read.
Okay, it says Standix Crucial Blaze. I don't know what's this Crucial Blaze for, but I know the mouse. 60 GB USB 20 version 20 20 flash drive. All right for sure. Wow. Standix. It says Standix.
Scan this.
Guys, and we got a mouse here. My mom's right there.
Oh, you try the mouse.
Let me try the mouse, but I got a mouse pad, but I cannot use it. I just do this. Let's unbox this mouse now. It's easy. You just
Look at that. Look at that.
do this at the back.
Parang si sino yun? Si Good the Chili mag-unbox to ng mouse.
He persuaded me to get a PlayStation, so here it is. We've got a PlayStation. So, I'm not really good in unboxing. This is my first unboxing video.
My laptop.
What do you think?
It's so cool. This Acer, mommy has it's not. I got the mouse app.
Oh, bagay sa yung mouse. And
But
liit lang, cute.
I found the berries, which is I cannot get it out.
You can use the mouse. You can use also the trackpad if you want. But I think it will be better if...
Which is I'm about to be a CEO of this site. Yes, that is good. What just happened?
Oh. What did I tell you about the
Okay, so
positive pole and then the negative pole? Search for the positive pole and then the negative pole. What that says.
positive pole, negative pole.
Right?
I just push it. Guys,
Okay.
I need to push it and so hard.
It's like...
Oh, it worked!
What?
Guys, it worked! Now I start creating in Sonic version 2.
What?
Sonic
I thought
version...
it's for your school.
Come on, come on. Tatay, can you type here Google Chrome?
I thought it's for your school.
Come on! I'm gonna Sonic version 2 of online game, so I need version 2. So, oh! What's the password?
There's no internet pa.
Oh
It's
no!
our password.
Oh, it says NCLC NCA system.
That's our password.
What's that? Guys, this will take so long for so many times.
Can you ask mommy?
Okay, guys, just wait. I'll be back in a bit.
Ask mommy first.
Okay. Mommy, what's the password? For what?
Yun dito?
For the internet.
Converge.
Convert! Is my mouth so small? Now that's what I call that online school. Get it?
Good. There's a mic.
Cool. Guys, thank you for watching this channel. I hope you'll subscribe, click the bell, and like, and do a great job. I wish you are my viewers. Thanks for watching.